Thinking about starting a car dealership in Rhode Island? Before you sell your first car, there's one thing you absolutely need: a Rhode Island dealer license. And if you try to skip this process, you could face fines or get shut down completely. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to get your Rhode Island dealer license step by step, the right way. We're covering everything, from setting up your business, getting approved, passing inspections, and the two biggest things most people mess up. And if you need help with those, I'll show you exactly where to get them. If you're doing any of the following in Rhode Island, you need a dealer license. Even if you're selling part-time or online, you still need to be licensed. Step 1. Before you do anything, you need approval for your business name and location. If your name or location isn't approved first, your application can get rejected immediately. This is where things start getting serious. Building your full application package. Rhode Island is stricter than most states. They want to see you're financially stable before approving you. This is non-negotiable. You're not paying $50,000, you're paying a small percentage based on your credit. This bond protects the public, not you, and claims can seriously hurt your business. If you want fast approval and the lowest rates, get your bond from All American Bonds and Insurance, link in the description. All owners must complete a background check. If you lived in another state recently, you'll need background checks from there too. Rhode Island has very specific location requirements. If your property doesn't meet these requirements, you won't get approved. You'll need proof your location is legally approved. Make sure your signage matches your business name exactly. If you're operating as an LLC or corporation, you'll need additional paperwork. Once everything is submitted, your application goes to the dealer board. Be prepared. This is where final approval happens. Even if not always required up front, you need insurance to protect your business. All American Bonds and Insurance can bundle your bond and insurance, saving you time and money. For a quote on your insurance, visit quickerbonds.com. The link to our website is in the description. If everything checks out, congrats, you're officially licensed to sell vehicles in Rhode Island. If you're serious about becoming a dealer, don't guess your way through this. Get your dealer bond and insurance from the experts at All American Bonds and Insurance. Links are in the description. Like, subscribe, and follow for more dealer license guides, and I'll see you in the next video.